Yo, yo, yo. Hello, hello, hello. You're on Gorilla Omega Wildlife Network, and we're gonna check out the wildlife. Okay, we are in nature right now, as you can tell. Well, anyways, I'm gonna take a walk across this bridge. Here we go. As you can see, I am one with nature. Me, one with nature. Well, I see something over here. Looks like we'll take a better look. Gotta make a quick jump across this. Look how far I gotta jump. I gotta jump. Alright, I'm almost 300 pounds, so I don't know if this is gonna support me or not. If this is OSHA approved or not. You know how much I weigh. Whoa. Not so OSHA approved. Anyways, let's keep walking over here. Oh yeah, let's see what that was. Fuck. Almost fell. Anyways, it looks like a can. What kind of can is that? It was old too. It's a Coca-Cola can for sure, but what year is it from? Fucking old as hell. Let's take a look at some treasure. I don't remember when cans I've never seen cans that look like that, have you? Gross. Coke Diet. Look at the can though. What year is that from? Who even knows? Gross. Go ahead and keep on looking around. I saw a tadpole earlier. It looked like a dinosaur slash Martian thing. It didn't have no legs yet. It was kind of creepy. Let's keep going for a walk. Here we go. The show must go on. Well, that's gonna break a cankle or 3. Let's go ahead and keep walking across. This is the scary part. Look. Whoa. This better not fucking snap. I swear to God. Oh my gosh, somebody's gonna fall through this. It's gonna be so funny. See, I can't go across this, so we're gonna have to be smarter. Be smarter. Watch this. Double stack this shit. Got me over here improving better than it is. Let me not slam it. I'm gonna be smart about it. Ow, fuck. I just cut my fucking arm. Fucking, what is that, a star bit? Well, anyways, I got fucking tetanus now. Let me go ahead and put this in position. Look, stronger, more support. It's not on there the best yet. I don't actually know what this metal thing is on. It could be on nothing. What is that? Look, what's that? Well, anyways, thank you for coming out here in Mother Nature with me. And my name is Gorilla Omega, and on COD Mobile I go by Villain. And I just want you to take a look on that. Oh look, you missed it, frog. He wants his can't really see it. There he is. He's like, put me on television. Put me on television. Put me on motherfucking television. I'm a motherfucking frog going for a jog. Walking across a log in the bog. Anyways, let me go ahead and send the mom his way and go ahead and get out of here. It's a baby too. Let's keep on walking. Thank you for joining me on my adventure. It's a great, great adventure. Look at that. Freaking. This is not the strongest either. Let me split the difference. Alright, I got some more ankle breakers. Freaking. Let me show you what I mean by ankle breaker. You hear that? No? Totally a ankle breaker. I don't see nothing. Just scrape my damn leg. What's that? Looks like frog cum. You see that? That's frog cum. It's about to sprout. Be a bunch of tadpoles here within a couple weeks, you know. Me, I know about the wild nature because I'm in one with the nature. I'm a creature from the nature. You's a hater. Thank the creator. Man, competition is craving. I know, I was just out here freestyling and I was just playing around. Look, another frog, another frog. He's gone. Yeah, thank you for, like I said, thank you for coming out here with me, enjoying Mother Nature. Look, this one's pretty level to the water almost. Let me get me some camera time. Let me get me some camera time, man. Yeah. What it do? What it do? Yo, check it. My name is VłŁŁAłń. Welcome to my show. It's really nice to meet you. I just want to thank you. I just want you to subscribe to my show when you get a chance. I mean, it only takes 1 second to click that button. I don't know where the button is at, but you know that you should subscribe today. See that? Gotta get that advertisement in. Anyways, I'm just gonna see y'all later, alligator. Uh-oh, there's an ant walking across my freaking, or a bug and shit. Alright, let's go ahead and go back. Let's take a walk back. Here we go. Let's go.